What's that? Is it Friday? Are we caffeinated? Camera 1, check. Camera 2, check. We're good to go. With an opportunity, this is Fan Mail Friday. There you are. Welcome back. Fan Mail Friday, yes, but with an opportunity. Let me explain. Not that long ago, we released an episode on the Elegoo Neptune 2 3D printer. It was a review, and it was an okay review, but more importantly, the episode was sponsored by Unbounce, and it was really cool working with them, struck a deal, did everything we needed to, except I had a typo in the description for the code used to redeem the discount. And I'm sorry, but I do want to make things right. I'm a stand-up sort of person. And so Unbounce is getting the sponsorship of this Fan Mail Friday. Really quickly, Unbounce is the #1 landing page builder platform for over 15,000 brands around the world. It's really cool. There's a lot more information that takes a deeper dive into how they do it. And I'm going to reference the video we put out on the Elegoo Neptune 2 in the description. Click that link. It'll take you right to where I talk to you about Unbounce. I get questions though, like what is a landing page? And I gave an example there, but you know, what about this? So a landing page is more like an executive summary or an elevator pitch. You want to get a concise, easily digestible amount of information to a potential customer as quickly as possible for them to be able to make an informed decision. So if you're in an elevator and you're pitching an idea to someone, you're not going to give them the 30-minute presentation. You're going to distill it down into the bits and pieces that make it easy for them to understand and hopefully say yes and become a customer of yours. And that's where landing pages come in. And with Unbounce, it makes it easy to make those and hopefully bring you more customers. That's the cool part. So for Unbounce, it's there's a code, unbounce.com/3D printing nerd. And you can use code 3D printing nerd for 20% off your first 3 months. And again, thank you Unbounce for sponsoring that previous video. And I hope you enjoy this sponsorship as well. Sponsor message out of the way. 3 wonderful packages here. Well, 2 packages in an international letter. The Mario Cube is right here. Literally, it's the morning. I haven't fully drank my coffee, so that's why we're doing this. But let's get into it. First things first, this one. It's a customs declaration. It's from Chris, and it's from the United Kingdom. Ooh, this is kind of exciting. Okay, I'm going to get out the knife of cutting, and I want to make sure I don't break something. Okay, let's see. I did it! I did it! I was able to cut this open without breaking anything. Inside, we have a letter. We have some stickers. We have a self-addressed envelope. I think I know where this is going. Oh my goodness, lots of good stuff here. Well, first of all, I mean, just look at that. Look at those stickers right there, huh? Look at those stickers. That's awesome. It's from Chris Roberts. Ooh, it's very proper. There's an address up here, an address here. Dear Joel, that's me. I hope you are well when you receive this, which will likely be in about 6 months' time after writing. Guess. No. This was sent March 1st, so not 6 months. Not 6 months. Hopefully the world is in a much happier place then. Just wanted to let you know, after years of not quite getting into 3D printing, thanks to your channel, I've been spurred on to properly jump into the hobby. I now have my very own Prusa Mini Plus, on which I've printed many things, from brackets to attach oddly shaped shelves reclaimed from London Underground trains to my wall, Bernie Sanders statues, prototype electronics enclosures, and an inordinate number of benchies. Makes sense. So thanks for all your boundless enthusiasm and both of your hard work for putting such a well-polished channel together. I've enclosed some stickers of classic analog cameras that I've designed and made recently. It's another hobby of mine, and I'm a bit of a hobby collector. Aren't we all? I hope you enjoy. I've enclosed a self-addressed envelope. I've sent over a bit of Bitcoin your way, which hopefully by the time this reaches you, the dollar amount would cover return postage. Since I can't buy USPS stamps in the UK, I don't know if that works. If not, no worries, just enjoy the stickers. That's from Chris Roberts. Well, Chris, these are fantastic little stickers. Let's see. It tells me @Naxfish, Naxxfish, Fish. Is that focused? I'm sure that's focused, right? Sure. You do have an envelope. Let's see if that Bitcoin transaction went through. We'll check later. I'm not too worried about it. I will make sure the postage is covered, whether or not the Bitcoin arrived or not. But that's an awesome way of doing it. So thank you for that. We'll consider the payment in there. Well, Chris, you gave me stickers. I think it's only appropriate that I give you stickers. It's a sticker swap. A sticker swap. Boy, it's a mouthful, isn't it? Well, anyway, Chris, you get stickers. Next up, let's move this to the side. Actually, let's do this. Let's do this just to get out of the way. This is from the Siebers family, it says. Look at that. So first of all, it says open other end, which is it's just perfect. And so the other end is full of newspapers and such. Yeah. So I'm going to open the other end. I think that's, ooh, it makes noises. Oh, okay. If I do that, stuff starts to come out. Well, here we go. We've got a self-addressed stamped envelope. So it's from a Ben. Got stuff. Well, there's a $20 bill. That's packing. It just keeps coming. Okay. This is clear. No, wait. There we go. Okay. Anything good in the ads? Well, shoot. Okay, so I've got REI Wisconsin sticker. I got a 405th Infantry Division right there. That is a patch. We have a $20 bill, $20 US, and I've got an envelope, self-addressed and stamped. What's going on? It says man support. This says small spikes. This says main body. Let's see, there's something in here. Let me pull that out. Oh, there's more stuff in the tube. I might have to get that out. Okay, is this just packing? It's like a puzzle. Nope, okay, more packing. Large spikes, small spikes, medium spikes. There's a lot of spikes here. I don't know what this is. It looks like there's packing on the inside, but I think it's just packing. I don't think it has to do anything with what's in there. There's nothing, there's no instructions. There's no letter. Yeah, the tube is empty. Shoot, okay. Well, you are Ben. Thank you, Ben. There's a bunch of stuff here. I don't know what it's for, but there's long spikes, medium spikes, and short spikes. I will put everything inside this tube. Everything's in the tube. Thank you for the sticker. Thank you for the patch. You, sir, have sent in a $20 bill, $20 US. So let's get down to business. First things first. My goodness. $20 for the kids. That's amazing. Ben, I don't know what this is. Hopefully you can get in touch with me because I don't know what to do with this. However, reach out. I'm not going to toss it. I'll keep it aside. Let's figure out what this is together. In the meantime, I'm going to send you some stickers. Last and certainly not least is this box from Joseph Kavel a while ago. He sent in a puzzle that I tried to solve. And in the process of doing that, I actually broke it to pieces. And I felt really bad about that. And so I said, hey, let me get you some filament from Printed Solid. I'll pay the bill and you remake it and you send it my way. So I think this is it. I think this is it. So inside we have, well, everything is wrapped nicely. We have packing material. But look. Power pellets. Power pellets. I love these things. I'm not gonna lie. What is this? It says 3D printing there, right there. On the back, it does say safety first. Hope you can see that. And it looks like it's a magnet that opens up. So look at that. So it looks like you could store things and then roll it up. There we go. A little storage container. Okay, that's kind of cool. Packing material. Warning, this document reveals the solution to the puzzle. Obviously, I'm not going to read that quite yet. Ooh, here we go. Agent Joel, your mission, should you choose to accept it, requires gaining access to the included 200% scale treasure chest puzzle box on Thingiverse, printed in Jesse PLA. At great risk, our spy network has retrieved the following intel. Use of external tools risks damage to the chest. You must proceed without equipment. Edible provisions have been made included. Ration wisely. Good luck with that. Only minimal force is required. Parts that do not move under the force of a single thumb either do not move at all or are not yet ready to move. 3 locks seal the lid. A golden triangle is revealed for each. Pay no attention to the donation to Seattle Children's Hospital. It is an attempt to distract you. How you hold the puzzle matters. The following additional intel is unconfirmed. As such, use discretion before availing yourself to it. Oh, okay, that's awesome. So here's the letter, and you can tell certain parts have been redacted in a way. Okay, a 200% scale. Let's have, holy cats. This is, oh, geez. Look at this. Here, let's get up close. Okay, so there it is. Look at that. It's got a nice pattern on it, nice texture. Opens up. There's $20. So $20, that's just to distract me. Let's see what happens. Okay, these move. That moves a little bit. I'm going to use, okay, how you hold the puzzle matters. So maybe something, okay, I'm not using too much pressure. Oh, something moved. There's stuff moving around in there. I feel like I have to solve this. Shoot. Well, listen, let's just, we'll time lapse this and I'll attempt to put it at the end. What do you say? So you sent in $20 for the kids. That's amazing. And let's take care of business. First things first. Well, shoot, this is the last one for Fan Mail Friday. So just let me thank you for joining us today. Thanks to Unbounce for their kindness and letting me sponsor this episode. Again, unbounce.com/3D Printing Nerd. Use code 3D Printing Nerd for 20% off your first 3 months. That'll be down in the description. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. If you want to send something in, it's never required, but if you do, the address you can send packages to is in the description of every video we put out. Hug each other more, and as always, high five. I gotta look under these because I'm not able to get this. The orientation of the chest is key. Use slow rotation to explore. Okay, we'll start here. Something hit that really hard on the inside. I don't know if I'm going slow enough. The travel of these 3 pieces here doesn't seem to be moving much. Everything just wants to spring back. Oh, something, wait. There we go, okay. It was just bouncing before, but I had to be slow and methodical about it. So that's locked. Okay, that's locked. Okay, got this one. Just need that little hint. Okay. Okay, I got the 3 locks at the top. Oh. Ha ha! All right, let's see. How do I... Oh, just like that. I did it! I did it! Oh, okay. What is that? Oh, and look at that. There we go. Okay, so there's a little coin. Let's see, a little coin right there. Little coin. And look at that. It says, high five, 3D Printing Nerd. And on the inside, I don't know if you can see it there. It's kind of hard to see it. Right inside, there's a little hand. I did it! I did it! I really, really did it. So I used some of the hints, and with this, it looks like an exact position and rotation is key. And I was able to move the locks out of the way, only in specific spots. So I think it was a slow explore and trying the locks, almost like picking a lock. You know, you have to kind of see where the key is. A really good puzzle. Thanks for this. And wow, 200% scale. It's so awesome. All right, well there we go. There we go. I did it. I did it. See you on the next one.